Or you just view that 7 seconds and then you step out of the account, you log out, you're done for the day, and you secure your 3 asimi tokens. So that's basically how easy it is. So what exactly is meant by minting asimi on Hashing Space? Well, as you can see right here on my dashboard, this is staking asimi statistics. As you can see, total asimi minted, that's asimi that I've earned 651, all the way from just 106 asimi tokens invested into this thing. So that's roughly about 600% return on investment, which is a great reward. But obviously these results are not guaranteed, and this is not by any chance any investment advice or anything. But as you can see, this is what the statistics are showing right now, and people can lie but numbers don't lie. So as you can see, this is just the proof of what's going on my dashboard right now. So in today's video, we're going to be discussing more about asimi staking and what is this minting stakes and how to set it up and everything. So if you're new to Hashing Space and you are interested in knowing more about this, be sure to watch this video all the way to the end, as I'll be breaking down everything on how to get started and what to expect from your earnings using the current earning amount at the moment. So yeah, let's get started without wasting much of your time. So if you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn off notifications. So let's get started. So basically I set up my minting stakes about a year ago, as you can see right here on the 25th of Feb 2019. As you can see, I was able to set up these 2 asimi stakes, and they were costing about 53 asimi at that time. That's when the asimi value was still at a higher price, right? So in today's value, it has increased quite a lot, and 1 asimi stake actually costs you about $100 worth of asimi tokens, right? So looking at that value, that's obviously increased value in earnings as well as in just general value of your tokens that you have invested in the previous year, right? So as you can see right now, from 53 asimi tokens, right now it's costing 1,257 asimi tokens, and it will last for 365 days. So staking, basically this minting thing, is you're not actually purchasing it as in like buying it and then your money is gone forever. It's sort of an investment type of thing, but as I said, it's not investment advice or anything, just regulation that I have to follow on YouTube. But basically what I'm saying is, once you invest that amount, as you can see right here, let me just go back to my statistics. Once you invest this amount right there, the 106 asimi tokens, you get it back to your account in a space of 365 days, and then you on top of that, you earn this amount on top of that asimi tokens that you've invested into your account. So basically you're earning this amount plus this amount. So this amount obviously varies depending on how much asimi tokens you are getting for every 7 seconds ad that you view and how many asimi stakes that you have. So I had 2 set up, and then the price that I was getting for every 7 seconds that I was ad that I was viewing varied from 1 asimi token to 5 at some point. So if I can go back to my asimi minting summary right here, so as you can see, this is when I started generally. This is the last page of my earnings, as you can see right there on December 26, 2018. As you can see, we were earning 5 asimi tokens for just 1 minting ad. So basically, what minting ad basically means is that you click on an ad and you view it for 7 seconds. So every 7 seconds you can actually earn this amount on Hashing Space. So this was back then in 2018. So we're gonna be focusing on what's happening right now at the current price. So basically at the moment, looking at the statistics, you actually can earn about 3 asimi tokens for every 1 asimi stake that you have. Looking at it, that you actually earn this amount that you need to have it set up. So if you can just go to this amount right there, Control C. So remember, this amount you get it back within 365 days, exactly the same amount you get it back. But then on top of that, you earn as well 3 asimi tokens at the moment with the current price. So it might vary between 3 and I don't know, maybe it will increase or decrease depending on the amount of people that are actually staking this thing. So basically at the moment, as I said, you're earning about 3 asimi tokens for every asimi stake. So basically, let's just take a calculator and go and multiply 365 days times at least 3. So that's to get a rough estimate of what we can expect, right? So 365 days. Remember, that's if you have to log in every single day and view that 7-second ad as much as the asimi stakes that you have. So if you only have 1 asimi stake, that means you're only viewing 7 seconds. You're spending just roughly 10 seconds to view the ad, and if you're interested in the ad, you can take action based on what's being advertised. Otherwise, you just view that 7 seconds and then you step out of the account, you log out, you're done for the day, and you secure your 3 asimi tokens. So that's basically how easy it is. So the 365 days you'll be earning roughly about 3 asimi tokens. So if you multiply that, as you can see, that's 1,095 asimi tokens that you can potentially earn within that year. So that's about doubling your account. So that's basically 100% return on investment right there that you're looking right there. So this is sort of guaranteed. It fluctuates, as I said, depending on how much asimi you'll be earning. So if I just go back to my recent earnings, as I said, as you can see, I started off earning 5 asimi, 5.6, 5.7, almost 6 asimi tokens, and then it went down to 3 asimi for that same stake within the same year. Actually, it was now in 2019. So it just fluctuates. So it was decreasing because more and more people were engaging into it. So right now, it's actually going up. It's on an uptrend.